VRK Silks live show. Kanchipuram VRK Silks is a 2-decade-old trusted brand with variety of designs and different collections. Kanchipuram VRK Silks has 36 plus branches across South India. It is known for its finest and purest quality of silk throughout the fashion industry. We at Kanchipuram VRK Silks have a video calling facility where you don't have to step out of your houses to go shopping. All you have to do is a video call and the staff will assist you to the shopping. And in this live, if you like any sari, all you have to do to buy it is take a screenshot of the sari along with the item code and send it to us on a WhatsApp number 9696699666. So let's start with today's collection of saris. Today's collection of saris are pattu saris. Let's begin with the beautiful sari that I'm wearing. This is a gorgeous yellow colored sari which has a very beautiful festive vibe and an elegant look. This has all over silver zari rudraksha booty designs on its body. It has a beautiful peach color silver zari peacock flower and plaid border. A peach color silver zari peacock flower and plaid border. And a pink color silver zari flower designer pallu. Also a pink color self-weaving blouse with the border. The item code of this beautiful yellow colored sari is LV1517 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is only 9,950 rupees. Next gorgeous sari. This is a gorgeous pink colored sari with magenta color. This beautiful sari has all over designer flower booties with golden zari on its body. It has a beautiful magenta color designer border, a magenta color grand rich pallu and a plain blouse with border of magenta color. The item code of this gorgeous sari that you're seeing is LV1525 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 29,950 rupees. Next gorgeous sari. This is a lovely green with maroon colored sari. This gorgeous sari has all over self-thread weaving on its body. This beautiful sari has a maroon color silver and copper zari flower designer border. It has a maroon color silver zari rich pallu and a maroon color plain blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous green color sari with maroon is LV1534. The item code is LV1534 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 10,950 rupees. Next gorgeous sari. This is a lovely mustard yellow with pink colored sari. It has all over thread, self-thread weaving with golden zari peacock design on its body. A beautiful self-thread weaving with golden zari peacock design on its body. A pink color golden zari plaid beautiful border. And a pink color golden zari rich pallu. Also a thread weaving blouse with border in the pink color. The item code of this beautiful lightweight mustard yellow with pink colored sari is LV1533 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 8,950 rupees. Next lovely sari. Wow, this is a beautiful sea blue colored sari with copper zari diamond cut designer booties. Like I've told you, copper is a very trending design right now. It has a gorgeous weaving, a beautiful copper zari kaddi with designer border, a copper zari flower designer pallu, and a sea blue color self zakat blouse with border. This beautiful sari has a copper design where this is very trending. And the item code of this gorgeous sea blue colored sari is LV1532 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 11,950 rupees. This is a highly recommendable sari. Next lovely sari. This is a beautiful blue colored sari with orange color. This gorgeous sari has got all over jal weaving with leaves on its body. Beautifully woven. Jal weaving with leaves like you see and a gorgeous skirt border with both zari. With both zari, a gorgeous skirt border and a flaunting rich pallu it has got along with a plain blouse. The item code of this gorgeous sari is LV1536 and the weaver's price of this lovely sari is 29,950 rupees. Next beautiful sari. This is another gorgeous snuff with red colored sari, a snuff gold colored sari. It has all over brocade jal weaving with both zari contains floral on its body. A red color turning work, beautiful flaunting border, and a brocade pallu. Also, it has a red color plain blouse with designer border. The item code of this gorgeous saree is LV1531, and the weaver's price of this saree that you're seeing is 25,000 rupees. Next super saree. Wow, this is a beautiful yellow colored saree which has got a festive vibe again, a beautiful yellow pattu saree with pink color. It has all over kuttu jal work with antique golden saree on its body. You can see the detailing of the thread here with a beautiful reddish pink color contrast kadi border and a peacock design. Beautiful big border with a grand rich pallu. The item code of this beautiful saree is LV1535. It has got a contrast blouse as well. The item code again is LV1535, and the weaver's price of this beautiful saree that you're seeing is 25,000 rupees. Next lovely saree. Wow, this is a lightweight pink with green colored saree. It has got all over self weaving with silver zari square design on its body. This is currently trending, the beautiful square designs. And it has got a green color silver zari designer border. A beautiful green color silver zari flower design pallu. And a self weaving blouse with border in green color. The item code of this beautiful lightweight pink color saree is LV1510. And the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is only 8,950 rupees. Next gorgeous saree. Wow. A beautiful pattu saree with gold and pink color. It has all over multicolor flower design. It has got a very rich look. If you look at the multicolor flower design here, all over the body it has a design with a pink color silver zari plaid border, flower in the plaid border this is, and a self silver zari rich pallu. Also a golden zari tissue blouse with border. The item code of this saree is LV1500, and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree that you're seeing is 29,900 rupees. Next beautiful saree. Another gold color, mustard colored saree, golden mustard color saree with pretty floral and leaf designs on its body. Beautiful small pretty floral and leafy designs. It has contrast both equal floral turning pink color border and a floral rich pallu with a plain pink colored blouse. The item code of this gorgeous saree is LV1526, and the weaver's price of this beautiful saree is 19,950 rupees. Next superb saree. Wow, this is a beautiful purple with pink colored saree. It has all over golden zari tissue flower design booties on its body. Beautiful detailing it has got. A diamond cut designer border with peacock booties and a designer rich pallu, along with a tissue plain blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous saree is LV1528, and the weaver's price is 29,950 rupees. Next gorgeous saree. Wow, this is a beautiful pattu saree with sea green color. It has all over golden zari designer booties on its body. This is a beautiful cool party wear saree, an evening saree. It has got a self designer border if you see. A beautiful designer rich pallu and a lovely designer self designer blouse. The item code of this gorgeous blue colored saree is LV1530, and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is 29,950 rupees. Next lovely saree. Wow. A beautiful mehendi green colored saree with ink blue color, which has all over flower booties with golden zari on its body if you can see. Lovely flower booties with golden zari, a contrast big heavy border with golden zari and a contrast pallu with a plain blouse and a heavy design. The item code of this gorgeous saree is LV1527, and the weaver's price of this beautiful saree is 25,000 rupees. Next beautiful saree. This is a flaunting combination of blue and red color, a navy blue colored sari with red. It has all over self weaving with golden zari flower booty design on its body. Beautiful flower booty designs throughout the body. It has a red color design, a gorgeous border, a golden zari rich pallu of flaunting red color again, and a red color self weaving blouse with border. The item code of this beautiful navy blue colored sari is LV1511 and the weaver's price of this sari is 10,950 rupees. Next lovely pattu sari. Here you got another lightweight pastel sari. This is a beautiful sea green colored sari with all over golden zari small flower booty designs on its body. In copper color, it has a self golden zari designer border, again in copper color, and a lavender color golden zari designer pallu. This copper is trending right now, and the lavender color self weaving blouse with border of copper again. This is a highly recommendable sari because this copper is really trending and it has a very elegant yet a western look. The item code of this gorgeous sari is LV1520 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 10,950 rupees. Next lovely sari. This is a beautiful blue colored sari with purple color. It has a beautiful all over golden zari small flower booty design on its body. A purple color peacock flower and plaid border. A red color golden zari designer pallu. And a red color self weaving blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous sari that you're seeing is LV1519 and the weaver's price of this beautiful lovely sari is only 9,950 rupees. Next lovely sari. Wow, a beautiful green color sari with red color. This gorgeous sari has all over golden zari rudraksha with square design on its body. It has a beautiful red color golden zari plaid border with flower design. A beautiful red color designer pallu and a red color plain blouse with border. The item code is LV1508 and the weaver's price is 29,950 rupees. I repeat, the weaver's price is 29,950 rupees. Next gorgeous sari. Wow. A beautiful navy blue colored sari with yellow. This has got a very rich look. It has all over silver zari jal weaving flower design on its body. If you look at the detailing, small silver zari flower design throughout the body it has. And it has a yellow color golden zari peacock flower and plaid border. A yellow color golden zari designer rich pallu. And a plain blouse with border of yellow color. The item code of this beautiful sari is LV1503. This is a highly recommendable and a party wear sari. And the item code is LV1503. The weaver's price of this beautiful sari is 25,000 rupees. Next lovely sari. Wow, this is a beautiful pink colored sari with all over silver designer jal weaving flower design on its body. Beautiful jal weaving with flower design. It has a pink color silver zari plate with flower designer border with orange color co-edge and a self zari rich pallu. Also it has a mustard color self weaving blouse with border. The item code of the sari that you're seeing is LV1502 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 29,950 rupees. Next lovely sari. This is a lovely beige with pink colored beautiful sari. It has got all over self weaving with golden zari leafy design on its body. Beautiful golden zari leaf design, a pink color golden zari plaid border and a pink color golden zari rich pallu with a pink color self weaving blouse and border. The item code of this gorgeous yellow colored, a beige colored sari is LV1509 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is only 9,950 rupees. Next sari. This is a lovely peach colored sari with green color. It has all over silver zari brocade design on its body. Beautiful brocade design on its body. It has a green color golden zari designer border. and a green color golden zari rich pallu with the golden zari plain blouse and border. The item code of this gorgeous peach colored saree is LV1507. I'm sorry, I repeat, it's LV1507 and the weaver's price is 25,000 rupees. The item code is LV1507 and the weaver's price is 25,000 rupees. Next lovely saree. This is a beautiful green and a purple colored saree, a sea green colored saree with a purple color. It has all over silver zari jal weaving with peacock and flower design on its body. Beautifully woven flower and a peacock design with purple color, peacock and plate designer border. Peacock and plate designer border and a purple color golden zari rich pallu, plain blouse and border of purple color. The item code of this saree is LV1506 and the weaver's price is 29,950 rupees. Next saree. A gorgeous yellow colored saree with a festive vibe again. It has all over golden zari flower booty design on its body. A beautiful flower booty design. Also it has a pink color antique zari plaid border with animal design. Beautiful pink color antique zari plaid border with animal design and a pink color golden zari rich pallu. Also a pink color plain blouse with border. The item code of this beautiful saree is LV1537 and the weaver's price is 29,950 rupees. Next gorgeous saree. This is a lovely pattu saree with pink and green color. It has all over self weaving with golden zari peacock design on its body. It has a self weaving with golden zari peacock design on its throughout the body and a golden zari designer border. Green color golden zari rich pallu with a green color plain blouse and border. The item code of this saree is LV1512 and the weaver's price is 10,950 rupees. Next beautiful saree. Wow, this is another beautiful cream and green colored saree. This has a very cool party look. It has all over micro resham flower booties on its body. Beautiful micro resham floral booties if you can see. With a green color skirt border with multi motifs. Big skirt border, green color with multi motifs. And a brocade contrast pallu with resham brocade green blouse and border. Big border. The item code of this saree is LV1538 and the weaver's price is 11,950 rupees. Next saree. This is a gorgeous navy blue colored saree with maroon color border. It has got all over golden zari flower booty design on its body. Small flower booty design on its body. A lovely maroon color golden zari designer border. A golden zari rich pallu with a maroon color plain blouse and border. The saree looks really bright. The item code of this beautiful saree is LV1524 and the weaver's price is only 7,990 rupees. Next lovely saree. Wow, a beautiful mustard with red color saree. It has all over golden zari flower booty designs on its body. A red color golden zari designer border and a red color golden zari rich pallu. Also a plain blouse with border of red color. The item code of this saree is LV1523 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous flaunting orange and red colored saree is only 7,990 rupees. Next saree. A beautiful blue with red color saree. It has all over golden zari small booty design on its body. Small booty designs. It has all over golden zari small booty designs with red color golden zari plate with animal designer border like you see. And a red color golden zari rich pallu. Also a self weaving blouse with border. The item code of this saree is LV1522 and the weaver's price is 10,950 rupees. I repeat, the weaver's price is 10,950 rupees. Next gorgeous saree. Wow, this is a beautiful red with green colored saree. It has all over silver zari jal weaving flower design on its body. Beautiful silver zari jal flower design. It has a green color silver zari design, a skirt border as well. Beautiful big border and a green color golden zari rich gorgeous pallu. Also to mention, a plain blouse with border of green color. The item code of this lovely red and green colored saree is LV1504 and the weaver's price of this saree is 25,000 rupees. Next lovely saree. This is a beautiful lavender with blue colored saree. This gorgeous saree has all over golden zari leaves with peacock design on its body. Beautiful golden zari leaves with peacock design. A blue color golden zari designer border. And a blue color golden zari rich pallu. Dual shade. With a tissue blouse and a border in blue color. The item code of this saree is LV1499 and the weaver's price is 29,950 rupees. Next saree. This is another lightweight saree of dark peach color. It has all over golden zari small flower booty designs on its body. Small flower booty designs. Look at the detailing. It has a beautiful purple color golden zari kairi flower work with plaid border. A royal blue color golden zari flower design pallu and a royal blue color self weaving blouse with border. The item code of this saree is LV1518 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is only 9,950 rupees. Next saree. Wow. This is a lovely orange colored saree with all over self weaving on its body. Beautiful self weaving, if you can see. Small weaving. It has a pink color golden zari zigzag designer border with peacock design. Zigzag designer border with peacock design. And a pink color golden zari rich pallu. Also it has a pink color self weaving blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous orange colored saree is LV1513 and the weaver's price of this bright orange colored saree is only 9,950 rupees. Next saree. This is a lovely pink colored saree with all over silver zari small kairi design on its body. Beautiful silver zari flower and plaid border. Small kairi design and a beautiful small plaid border. A navy blue color silver zari rich pallu with a plain blouse and border of navy blue color. Small border of navy blue color. The item code of this saree is LV1516 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is only 9,950 rupees. Next saree. Wow. This is a beautiful cream colored saree with navy blue color. It has all over silver zari small jal weaving design on its body. Flower jal weaving design throughout its body, if you can see. It has a beautiful navy blue color golden zari peacock flower and a plaid border. Peacock flower and a plaid border. A big border it has. A navy blue color golden zari designer rich pallu and a navy blue color plain blouse with border. The item code of this saree is LV1505 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is 29,950 rupees. Next saree. Beautiful bottle green colored saree with blue color. It has all over golden zari flower booty designs on its body. This is a very lightweight and a beautiful saree. It has a beautiful dual shade as well, like you can see. It has a blue color golden zari flower design, a border with courage and a golden zari kairi design pallu of blue color with a blue color plain blouse and border. The item code of this saree is LV1515 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is only 7,990 rupees. Next beautiful saree. This is another have the lovely pink colored saree with all over golden zari flower booty design on its body. Beautiful small zari flower designs. It has a green color golden zari peacock and plate border. Peacock and a plate border. And a green color golden zari rich pallu. With a self-weaving blouse and border of green color. The item code of this lovely saree is LV1521 and the viewer's price of this beautiful orange colored saree is 10,950 rupees. Next gorgeous saree. Here you go, another beautiful green with royal blue colored saree. It has all over self-weaving with golden zari kairi design on its body. Beautiful self-weaving with golden zari kairi design like you can see. And a beautiful blue color golden zari peacock and flower design a border which has a very rich look. A golden zari rich pallu of blue color and a blue color plain blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous lightweight green and blue colored saree is LV1514 and the weaver's price of this lovely saree is 10,950 rupees. So again, we at VRK Sales have a video calling facility where you don't have to step out of your houses to go shopping. All you have to do is a video call and the staff will assist you do the shopping. In case you like any of the sarees from this live and you want to buy it, all you have to do is take a screenshot of the saree that you love along with the item code and send it to us on our WhatsApp number 969669966. So the same live will be uploaded on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and YouTube of VRK Sales. You can check out the lives from there. So that's all for today's live. Let's meet in another live with more collection. Bye-bye.